Welcome back to part 6 of our master guide to the ultimate folding knives for survival and self-defense in 2026, when your gear needs to pull double duty as a hard-to-use wilderness tool and a fast-deploying defensive asset. Compromise isn't an option. Today, we're evaluating 10 more overbuilt folders featuring vault-tight locking systems and high-end, impact-resistant blade steels. Let's break down today's elite pocket powerhouses that deliver absolute reliability when the stakes are high. The Gerber Fast Draw Tanto is a sleek, tactical folding knife designed for rapid deployment and everyday defense. Featuring Gerber's patented forward-action spring technology, this knife opens lightning fast with just a flick of the thumb, giving you immediate access when seconds matter most. Its 3-inch Tanto-style blade is crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, offering excellent piercing strength and edge durability ideal for tactical use and tough cutting jobs. The partially serrated edge adds versatility, allowing you to slice through rope, fabric, or other tough materials with ease. The handle features textured thermoplastic scales for a solid, non-slip grip, while the safety lock mechanism ensures the blade stays secured during carry. Compact and lightweight, the Fast Draw is easy to clip in your pocket and forget until you need it. For those who want speed, utility, and tactical precision in one affordable package, the Gerber Fast Draw Tanto is a solid choice. The off-grid Rhino V2 is a folding knife built for serious survival and tactical situations. With a 3.75-inch cryogenically treated D-to-steel blade, it delivers outstanding edge retention and rugged durability, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The modified Tanto blade design offers reinforced tip strength, ideal for piercing, prying, and tactical applications. Its aggressive jimping and large finger choil provide a confident grip, while the G10 handle scales ensure slip-resistant control, even in wet or gloved conditions. The Rhino V2 features a fast, smooth deployment thanks to the ceramic ball bearing pivot and a strong liner lock that keeps the blade securely in place during use. A deep carry, reversible pocket clip, and lanyard hole enhance its everyday carry convenience. Designed to take a beating and keep performing, the off-grid Rhino V2 is a rugged folding beast ready for anything, from backcountry survival to urban defense scenarios. The CJRB Tundra J1966 is an absolute powerhouse of a folding knife, engineered for those who demand fixed blade strength in a portable format for 2026. This overbuilt folder features a massive 3.75-inch drop-point blade crafted from high-performance D-to-steel, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like batoning or prying. What truly sets the Tundra apart is its innovative secondary threaded locking pin, which provides an extra layer of security for maximum reliability in the field. The ergonomic green G10 handle with full steel liners ensures a rock-solid grip, while the smooth ceramic ball bearing pivot allows for lightning-fast deployment via the flipper or thumb stud. It has an overall length of 8.82 inch and weighs in at 7.97 ounce. It is a relentless, mission-ready, and dependable survival tool. The CRKT M211 for SFG is a combat-ready folding knife engineered for tactical efficiency and high-stress situations. Designed by legendary knifemaker Kit Carson, this knife features a 3.99-inch US 8 stainless steel blade with a durable titanium nitride coating that resists corrosion and minimizes glare. The blade's deep-bellied spear-point design is optimized for both slicing and piercing, while VEF serrations make short work of ropes, webbing, and other tough materials. Dual thumb studs and the Carson flipper ensure rapid, ambidextrous deployment, while the Autolock safety system transforms the liner lock into a virtual fixed blade for added security. The aggressively textured G10 handles offer a sure grip even in wet or gloved hands. With a 4-position pocket clip, it adapts easily to your carry preferences. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or preparing for the unexpected, the M211 for SFG brings tactical reliability and cutting power right to your pocket. The Benchmade 175 Adamas is a powerhouse tactical knife built for extreme durability and reliability. Designed for military and survival applications, it features a 3.8-inch CPM Crewware steel blade, known for its incredible toughness and edge retention. The drop point blade is finished with Benchmade signature coating for added corrosion resistance. One of its standout features is the axis lock mechanism, providing smooth deployment and rock-solid lockup. The textured G10 handle ensures a secure grip even in wet or harsh conditions. Plus, with a full stainless steel liner, it offers exceptional strength. Designed for heavy-duty use, the 275 Adamas is perfect for combat, self-defense, and survival situations. If you need a rugged and reliable folding knife that thrives in tough environments, the Benchmade 275 Adamas is a battle-ready choice. The Zero Tolerance 0350TS is a rugged, no-nonsense folding knife built for serious tasks and demanding users. Featuring a 3.0 to 5-inch S3OV stainless steel blade, it delivers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting performance. The blade's tiger-striped tungsten DLC coating not only adds a stealthy, aggressive look, but also boosts durability and wear resistance. Thanks to the SpeedSafe assisted opening system, deployment is fast and smooth with just a push on the flipper or thumb stud. The black G10 handle scales provide a secure, slip-free grip, even in wet or gloved conditions. A robust liner lock ensures confident blade lockup, while the quad-mount pocket clip allows for multiple carry options. Compact enough for everyday carry, yet tough enough for tactical use, the 0350TS strikes a perfect balance between strength, speed, and style. It's a dependable choice for anyone who values performance without compromise. The original Squid was a legend, but the CRKT Squid XM takes that iconic Lucas Burnley design and gives it the extra reach you've been waiting for. This extra medium folder is the perfect solution for those who love the Squid's famous ergonomics, but need a more capable blade for heavy-duty survival and tactical tasks. It features a 2.95-inch drop-point blade crafted from high-performance D2 steel, ensuring excellent edge retention and piercing power. The overall length of the knife is 7.03 inch, with a close length of 4.11 inch. Despite its beefy frame lock and G10 handle scales, it remains a streamlined carry at exactly 3.60 ounce. With a lightning-fast assisted opening flipper and IKBS ball bearing pivot, this blade is built to deploy instantly when every second counts. In a world of tightening knife laws, the Good Worker Legal Pocket Knife is a tactical revelation for 2026. Designed specifically to navigate strict carry regulations without sacrificing defensive utility, this non-locking folder is the ultimate choice for the law-abiding traveler or urban commuter who refuses to go unprotected. It features a sharp-to-point, 9.5-inch drop-point blade, keeping it safely under the common 3-inch legal limit. The blade is crafted from durable 440C high-carbon stainless steel, offering excellent rust resistance. The overall length is 7.71 inch, with a closed length of 3.75 inch. Despite its legal-friendly slip joint design and aluminum handle, it remains a sturdy tool weighing in at 4.13 ounce. It is a discreet, high-utility masterpiece that proves legal can still be lethal. The KEXMO pocket knife has dominated the charts as the #1 bestseller in hunting knives, proving that premium survival gear doesn't have to break the bank in 2026. This tactical folder is engineered for versatility, featuring a beautiful vintage rosewood handle that offers a classic feel and a high traction grip. Beyond its cutting power, it is a dedicated rescue tool, equipped with an integrated glass breaker for emergencies. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blade utilizes a secure liner lock system, ensuring maximum safety during heavy-duty use. It features a razor-sharp 3.46-inch drop-point blade with an overall length of 8.46 inch. Despite its full-sized capabilities, it remains perfect for everyday carry, weighing exactly 5.7 ounce. Complete with a pocket clip, it is an essential survival masterpiece. The Civivi Praxis is a tactical folding knife built for reliability and performance. With a 0.12-inch thin, sharp-point blade, it's perfect for piercing and precision tasks, ensuring you're always ready for any cutting challenge. Whether you're working or out in the field, This knife offers smooth and decisive action for quick deployment. The lightweight Quiborsha wood handle provides superior ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip with every use. Featuring ball bearings in the pivot, the Praxis opens effortlessly, combining ease of use with precision. Designed for everyday carry, the reversible deep carry pocket clip lets you carry the Praxis discreetly, making it ideal for both work and collection. At just 3.99 ounces, it's a solid yet unobtrusive companion for any task. If you're looking for a high-performance folder with style and strength, the Civivi Praxis is ready for the challenge.